Hey, this is Loodmy Jacques, realtor with Century 21. Welcome to my newest listing. This 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom located in Coco Plum is a must-see. Enough of me talking, let's go take a look. The most amazing thing about this home is the backyard. As soon as you walk through the sliding glass door, you'll be greeted by this amazing in-ground pool, and you will have a nice fire pit area for you to hang out with your friends and entertain. This home offers you a private oasis. See, I told you this was a beautiful home. If you want more information, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to schedule a private showing. Thank you for stopping by.